Welcome to Aptella Academy, and in this video we'll be explaining how to use the correct base routine in TopCon Field version 10 software. This feature is typically utilized when you have set up a base in an arbitrary position or you are trying to correct a network base location utilizing your rover position, going to a known mark and correcting the position to this one known mark on the local job site. From the main screen, we'll go into Setup and then Correct Base. We need to select the known point that we are correcting the base position to, either from the map or the point list. This position has to be a 3D position already in the point list of your job. From the map screen, we'll select the point we are correcting to. And now we need to measure a point with our rover. So we'll hit the GPS person icon under the measured point option. And we'll walk to the known mark that we have and we are correcting ourselves to. Once we are over this position, we will take a measurement. Once we have stored this measured position, we now have our known mark and our measured point for the same physical location, and we can hit the green tick icon. Once we've hit the green tick, you'll see a warning appear. Be asked if we want to apply the following base corrections in 3D position to the northing, easting, and height. These are the current errors being received at the rover from the current base position for the local mark. If we accept these offsets, this means we are removing these 3D positional errors from the current base transmission being received via UHF or network. Hit the Yes button to apply the base correction values. Once you have accepted the values, a new warning will appear asking the user if they want to save the corrected coordinates for the reference station as a new point. Typically this is good practice and we'll hit the Yes button. After hitting the Yes button, you'll be asked to add a new point into the point list. Typically you would save this with the current base position name with the underscore corrected to indicate that this is the corrected base position. And you can give this a code and a control point identifier if needed. Once named correctly, simply hit the green tick button to store the point. This completes the correct base routine and you'll return back to the main screen of the TopCon Field software. To check the point has been created, you can go into the edit icon and then points, and you can see the base corrected position. Good practice is always to go stake out another point on the job site to ensure that your position is correct for any following topo or stakeout. Hit the home icon and return to the main screen of TopCon Field. From the main screen, we'll go into stake and then points. Select another point on the job site that you want to ensure your rover position is correct, and then hit the stake button. Once you are over this independent control point, you should ensure that the accuracy seen or the errors being seen with your delta north, east, and height are all relative to the job site accuracy that is trying to be achieved, and confirm that the corrected base position has been applied successfully, and this only applies for the current job session. Thank you for watching.